Where can we find and join the Roblox events? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's dive into how can you find and join Roblox events. Also, how can you participate and win some amazing prizes. So let's get started. You can find the Roblox events by the Roblox event page either in the web browser or in the settings. You will see the option of Roblox events. This will list all the current and upcoming events and make sure to save it so that you never miss an event. Next up would be follow the Roblox on social media as they regularly post updates on new events and special announcements. Once that is done, you should also join the Roblox groups and community to know about such tips and event news. Once you have accessed the game event, you can join it by tapping on it. Make sure to fill in the criteria of the event, finish the task as well as the activities, keep track of your progress, and finally you can claim your prize. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.